activity in science for today is entitled You Mix Me, You Mix Me Not. The problem here is how are mixtures classified? Mixtures can be classified in two main categories, homogeneous and heterogeneous. A homogeneous mixture is one in which the composition of its constituents are uniformly mixed throughout. A heterogeneous mixture is a non-uniform mixture in which the components separate and the composition varies. This is what you need: different kinds of seeds, nuts, salt, water, spoon, and 2 glasses of jars. This is what I need to do. Place the different kinds of seeds and nuts in container A and mix them. So this is my container A, and I'll put my mango seeds in it. And the nuts. And mix it well. Let's mix it. And put it aside. And fill the other glass with water. So this the other glass. And I'll label it as container B. And dissolve 1 tablespoon of salt in the water. Mix the 2 substances evenly until the salt is completely dissolved. Mix. After that, observe safely measures in using mixtures of solid and liquid materials. And this is what I have found out. When I combine the seeds and nuts in jar A, salt and water in jar B, what was formed? In jar A, I formed a heterogeneous mixture, and in jar B, I formed a homogeneous mixture. What happened when I mixed the seeds and nuts? When seeds and nuts are mixed together, they will become a heterogeneous mixture, since they be separated easily and you could see the nuts from the seeds. Can you still see the components of the mixture in jar A? Yes. What kind of mixture did I form in jar A? I formed a heterogeneous mixture. What happened when I mixed salt and water in jar B? When salt is mixed with water, the salt dissolves because covalent bonds of water are stronger than ionic bonds in the salt molecules. Can you still see or recognize components of the mixture, and why? No, because the salt dissolves in water. What type of mixture did you form in jar B? I formed a homogeneous mixture. How are mixtures formed? Salt is an ionic compound, meaning it is a substance made up of electrically charged molecules called ions. When ionic compounds dissolves in water, the individual ions separate and get surrounded by water molecules. a process called solvation. Therefore, the conclusions of this activity, you mix me not, using the Venn diagram are: homogeneous is only one phase can be seen after mixing, while the heterogeneous components can be seen after mixing. The homogeneous and heterogeneous are similar because they are both pure substances but different.